Yes, we decided to travel to India this summer. Also, I recently got my Canadian citizenship, but because of that, everything got complicated. When you become a Canadian, there is one thing that changes, that you cannot go to India
Whenever you want,
Yes.
instantly.
You need a visa. Or you can apply for OCI, which is the Overseas Citizen of India. So I haven't received the e-visa. I don't even have my OCI.
I got my e-visa.
Only Saransh received it. And my flight is in literally 3 days. So the last few days were pretty stressful. Still no update, guys. I kind of have a feeling that I'm gonna be home alone this time. But I really don't know why did they not give me visa and just give Saransh visa. What is the problem?
No idea.
Where is the problem? Anyways, 2 more days to go. Let's hope for the best. Good morning, guys. I finally have an update. Something just came. Do you see the truck? Yeah, hi. Any guesses what this is? The much awaited courier of my life. As of now.
The whole day you've been waiting for this delivery.
Don't even ask. It looks so weird. Finally, I have the OCI card.
Oh wow. It looks like a passport. Like
Yeah,
an
it
Indian
looks like
passport.
passport. Oh, it's just 2-3 pages inside.
Nice.
But finally, guys, that means even I can go to India now. With Saransh. Now, no more visas. And still, guys, I haven't received my visa. Still, if this wouldn't have come, I would have missed my flight. But thank goodness, this is special. We don't have to renew it. Do we?
No, you don't have to.
Yeah, there's no expiry. Let's go to India. Just in time. And today is our last day. We are flying tomorrow. There's another update too. Look at my luck. I woke up today and I saw the email, your e-visa is granted. So at least it finally came through. There was no issue with the application. That's what I was wondering. So in case you stay abroad and if there's any situation where you have to apply for e-visa, like don't take the 72 hours mentioned on their website for granted, because sometimes it takes more time, and I'm the real example here. But anyways, everything is sorted now. So today it's going to be a really busy, chaotic day. Okay, someone is calling me. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I apologize for the extremely late notice, but unfortunately the waxologist we were booked in with today will be out sick, and I don't have any availability currently.
No worries, it's alright. Yeah, thanks for the update. I was just gonna leave home. Just got a call from the salon where I need to go for my waxing, and they just cancelled my appointment. Shit, man. That's why I was in so much hurry, because I was like, okay, I have 2 appointments, and along with that, there are also some returns to be done because I recently shopped from Zara. Some new stuff because summer is almost here. And also, I have to edit. I have to put a vlog tomorrow. So it's going to be a long, busy day. And I'm honestly not exaggerating, but there's lots to be done. And we just have not even 24 hours. Anyways, we'll figure it out. And also, you know what? Saransh did not receive his OCI card. Only I received it, because I called them Bessie and I just told them my situation, because during that call I was so worried about my own thing, because Saransh was sorted, right? And I didn't want it to complicate things with 2 applications. So I was like, okay, let me just ask about mine. And they did put a note, I guess, on the OCI card that this is urgent, this needs to be delivered. So I received it. And Saransh's OCI card is still sitting in Brampton. And we were just wondering, what if it comes when we are not here? So we got to know that the delivery guy will take it back to BLS Brampton, and they're going to just hold it till the time we come back, and then we have to go there and collect it. And honestly, I wasn't even happy after receiving that e-visa. I was like, okay, I don't need it anymore. I have my OCI card. I'm an overseas citizen of India. No one can stop me now. Okay, I have to figure out my waxing situation. So I recently got a membership with Waxon. I have to pay like $50 monthly, and then I get a free service. So full legs is $60. So that comes out free basically after paying the membership. But again, you get 15% off on every service. So I've already paid for this month's membership, and my free service is due. So I need to only go to wax on. That's the main problem. And there's this salon which is nearby my place that I used to go to, which was very cheap. And after all this membership discounts at Waxon, it's almost equal. It's just $10 or $20 more. But then I get quality service. It's much cleaner and hygienic. So I was like, okay, let's try it out. It's the calm before the storm right now. Trust me. This is only happening because I just didn't know if I was going or not. Also, I'm usually that person who's always rushing at the last moment, especially when I'm traveling. Things don't end. But okay, I'm getting an appointment, but I'm getting it for tomorrow. And our flight is tomorrow. That would be so last minute. I still have half day tomorrow, so I'll squeeze in some time there. I just received one package and just the last one from Oakenford. I'm gonna go to the mall now. So if there's anything that I want to return, this is my last chance. Okay, let's try these on. Honestly, this is just way too basic. Actually, majority of the things that I ordered from Oakenford, I think I'm just going to return this. It's fine, but I don't really need it right now. Another top. But I got a beautiful set for Bali, so I'm going to keep this skirt. And it comes with a matching top as well. So this looks fine. At least I got this appointment. I need to get a root touch-up done. I've got grey hair. And I've come to the salon Charlie Blanc, which is just like 5 minutes from my place, and they do a decent job. They have good quality color and for a decent price. I pay like around $100 and I always book my appointments with Anna. She does a pretty good job. And this time I'm actually trying ammonia free color because my scalp is really sensitive. So I thought, why not go for that, which is just $10 extra. And right now I'm just making a list of all the things that I have to do in the mall. Like literally I have notes. What I need to do, which stores do I need to go. Okay guys, my root touch-up is done and I just reached Sherway Gardens. So I ordered all of this stuff online, and with online orders, you know, sometimes something fits, sometimes the style is not good or whatever. I'm just going to go return these and maybe look for something that I always look for before going for a vacation, which I never managed to get. Like the good ones. I'll show it to you inside what I'm talking about. I just found these bikinis at NYX. Let's try them out. It's so difficult to find bikinis. This skirt is good. No trip is complete without Aritzia. Okay, just got free from Aritzia. And when you shop from there, they sometimes give you this coin to get free coffee from their AO cafe. I haven't eaten anything since morning after that bread omelette. We're gonna grab food later on. Let's just get coffee for now. I'm really getting late. I've spent a lot of time here. Okay, look what I just found. My size in Sambas, finally. I've been wanting to get this shoe from so long, but I never find my size. Now I just have to decide the color. Today I have two options. The red ones here. I think these are more neutral. If you don't know, Sambas are a really popular shoe. Since last year, you never get sizes anywhere. Which one do we get? The red or the more neutral one? My go-to place for license is Indigo. And I found this really cute one. It's $70. There's this another print as well. I like the blue one more. I always end up at Bikini Village in the end. There are hardly any bikini brands. Let's see if they fit. Picking up Saranj.
You like my new haircut?
Saranj, you've cut it way too short.
No. My hair grows very fast. It's the same.
But
it's the same look.
But I've seen you like this after very long. I don't know.
After like 2-3 days.
Clean. You look super clean.
All set for the vacation. I actually went to the ATM to get some cash withdrawn for Bali.
Yes, and now let's go home. Finally, it's time to eat. And the best part, I already have food. I made some extra food yesterday because I knew today is going to be chaotic. And we have chicken curry here. I'm so hungry. I walked so much today in the mall. I finished 10,000 steps.
Wow.
Can you imagine? And also I have to get something for Ilaya. She only asked for one thing and I cannot miss that.
And you did your shopping and you didn't buy for Laya.
No, I have to. That store will close at 9, so I still have time. Siranj,
Yeah.
do you want to eat roti or pronti?
Roti. I
Sure.
love roti, yeah. Pronti we'll have in India.
Makes sense.
Nice.
This time, honestly, because I've started making all Indian food, I've stopped craving for like rajma, chawal, roti. Because I remember earlier during our previous trips to India, I used to be like really excited to have all the good home cooked food. But now I'm like, okay, I'm still looking forward to it where I don't have to go and cook and I just get the food already on the plate.
That's
But
the luxury.
yes, that's a
you will
luxury. But I'm not craving for anything anymore.
Same. Even I am not.
But there are other cravings that we need to satisfy. What are you left with? What is your plan? What are you going to do now?
I'm almost done with my packing, guys. I'm all set.
That's the best feeling.
It's not that my packing is remaining. It's just that I don't have any extra weight left with me to take.
And also you did your returns and everything on time.
Yeah.
Unlike me,
Guys,
who does everything at the last
Even
minute.
I shopped. I badly wanted some new clothes, shoes,
Oh,
and
yes.
everything. Yeah. Guys, we're trying to finish everything what's left in the fridge before leaving because we don't want to waste food.
And how many rotis do you want to eat?
2.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm thinking to eat 3. I'm not
We
eating.
can eat 2.5. Anyways, now our cheat days are starting in India because you know how it is in India, right? They'll feed us with a lot of food.
But this time, we gotta say no. We can't let all of this hard work that we have put in the last month at the gym go waste.
Yeah, that's the problem, right? We'll actually add up more calories and gain some weight.
Yeah.
So this time we will be controlling as well.
control.
Yeah.
We will eat.
We will
obviously.
eat. Obviously, we wanna try.
We are going after more than a year.
Yeah.
It's been almost 1.5 years. No.
Yeah. We are definitely gonna hog on to our cravings. There's a lot to be done here.
I think for both of us, we just want to make this a lifestyle. We're not really focusing on losing weight or
Yeah,
anything.
that's the
Because
plan,
moving
yeah.
your body is so important, which we haven't done.
Working out at
in
least
like
4 to
4 or 5 years that we have been in Canada,
Yeah.
like not moved at all.
We've literally been hogging.
And the only time we actually managed to get 10,000 steps in is only when we are making any video. That's
Yeah.
when where we are going around.
And exploring.
So throughout the week, if I check, it's like on Saturday it's 10,000 and then it's like 200 steps Monday, 300 steps Tuesday, 100 steps Wednesday, just up and down. I have more. You don't even have that because you're just upstairs. You just come to the kitchen.
That's why we started, working out. We're trying. Excited for India? Excited for India? Guys, Pooja is not coming in the video. You know what she's doing? Excited for India?
Sanj, I'll put this.
Show it to everyone how you did
It's
that.
recording. I'll put
How
this.
you did this step.
I didn't even do it.
Show it to everyone how you did that step. Show it.
India.
This is what she was doing,
I
guys.
swear I didn't do
Oh.
it. He made me do it just now.
I thought you'll get conscious in front of the camera.
But I'm not gonna put it.
That was a
I'll
good
delete
one.
it.
That was a good
Everything is
one.
in my hands, right?
That was a good one.
Everything is in my hands. Chicken looks so good.
Yeah, it's looking yummy.
Smells so nice. Look at this. What is this?
You tell everyone what is this happening here.
All the clothes that I can't put in the dryer.
This is actually our way of air drying clothes.
Yes, because then they shrink.
And we cannot put it outside also because it's
Cold.
cold, right?
And also I'm so full. I shouldn't have eaten so much. Because now I'll feel sleepy and I have so much to
I'm already
do.
feeling sleepy right now.
Don't even talk about sleeping.
I'll tell you why we are sleepy because we got up at 6 o'clock in the morning for a change.
But we have to gear up. I have to gear up even more because I have to work. Even you have to work a little bit.
A little bit.
But I ate a lot. I ate 2.5 rotis, half bread also. Kinda regret it.
I'm sleepy.
Get up. We gotta get up. You didn't even realize it's 8:30 already. We spent a lot of time eating our food. Michael's is going to close in just half an hour and I have to collect something for Ilaya. And I just came here to pick. It's here. Slime. I really don't know what kids do with it, but Ilaya is crazy about slime. And my sister told me the ones that they get in India, that's very sticky. So let's see how this one is. I cannot really tell the quality, but when I googled, it showed Michael's had it, so I was like, okay. And I also ordered one from Amazon, so we'll see. Let's just take this. I really hope Ilaya likes it. What is this? Sand. Some sensory play for kids. I really would have taken multiple things, but the only thing is the weight this time. Because we are flying Air Canada, we just have only one bag.
Last time
And also we're going to 2 destinations, so we don't really have any space. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So, before you go ahead with the video, why don't you check out my brand new website, which is now live. And for that, I would like to thank my long-term partners, none other than Squarespace. So if you're new around here, Squarespace is an amazing all-in-one platform that helps you to build your own website, blog, portfolio, e-commerce store, all in one space. And it's so easy to design your own website using their award-winning templates. I have no coding experience and I built everything from scratch. And if you still get stuck somewhere, they have 24/7 customer support to help you with anything you need. So if you're an entrepreneur, creator, or want to showcase your portfolio, definitely give it a try. Just go around, play with the features, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/peekapoo to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And make sure to check out my website. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. But before you do that, let's just finish the video.
Are we seriously stopping at Tim's?
Yeah, I'm very sleepy and I badly need coffee.
Having coffee at 9:30 p.m. Okay, one last Tim Hortons.
Yeah,
For a month.
for a month. Yeah, hi there. Can I grab one medium coffee? And do you have the chocolava cookie?
No chocolate lava, just milk.
The chocolava cookies.
Dream cookie.
Yeah, the dream chocolava cookie. They get sold out very fast. And what do you expect at 9:30?
Saransh is getting the Timbits.
Yeah, I just want to eat something very small.
And you were just talking
For
about gymming, being healthy.
That's fine. This is a lifestyle.
Yeah, it's not that we are on a diet or anything.
Thank you.
And oh, actually, Saransh, you think
Foggy ho gaya.
what's happening outside? Look at this. Where is this fog coming from? Whoa.
Yeah, it's very foggy.
Good, we are leaving. By the time we come back, it's going to be full on summer. I'm so excited for that. But this birthday cake Timbit is my favorite. The only Timbit that I like. Ready to see all the mess? Packing is in full swing. Saransh's bag is all packed here. And mine is almost done too.
Good job. I was expecting you'll take more time.
How are we going to sleep on this bed? Last few Zara returns. Need to sort out this now.
I'll find the
Two.
scotch tape for you.
Yeah. You must be thinking I'm crazy, but guys, you don't get anything in store. The only way out is to order online. But with online, you have to bear all this too. Which I don't mind. But going around in the mall looking for stuff, it's just too taxing sometimes. Honestly guys, these are some of the items that I really loved. But how much can I buy? So sending these back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sleepy.
Yeah, very sleepy now. Yeah, I can't do it. I'm done for the day.
Tomorrow our flight is in the evening. That's why we are doing this late in the night.
But I'm working tomorrow till the last minute because I did not have enough holidays left for the year. And our flight is around 8 o'clock at night. So I thought might as well just work.
I'm so tired. It's almost 2 and I'm just in my studio working. And I guess I'll have to wake up around 6 and then continue with the work again. And also, most importantly, I have to clean the house before I go because I don't want to leave a dirty house, because when you come back from vacation and when you see your house like that, it's not a good feeling. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys. Sorry if I look a bit rough because I haven't taken a shower. And I've just come for my vaccine appointment, just getting this done at the last minute today. But this morning started with a lot of emotions. Like literally, I'm teary-eyed. Like these are like happy tears. I'm so excited to go to India. Now the feeling is kicking in. Till yesterday I was like, yeah, we're going. But today I'm actually feeling it. I'm really excited to meet everyone. But one person that I'm so looking forward to meeting, which will not happen in India, but in Bali, is my brother. I haven't seen him in like 5 freaking years. Honestly, I had no clue when would I see him because there was no plan for Australia. He had no plans to come to Canada. It's just difficult to make the plans together where he would also come to India and I would also come to India, right? I don't know. I was just getting so emotional. I should be happy. I am happy. I mean, I'm happy. These are happy tears, but whoa. Last night I slept around 3, woke up pretty early today. I might look exhausted, but that's okay. We'll get all the rest during the flight. Let's head to my appointment here at Vaxon. Let's get the waxing done. And now let's wind up everything in the kitchen. I just want to clean everything before I go.
Oh, and dishes. Need to do the dishes.
You can do it. One
last
time. Only for 1 month.
Thank God, that's enough for me.
And then we are going to come back again here.
बस होगी यार खाना बना के बर्तन क्लीन कर डिशवॉशर साफ कर मशीन की तरह. We have been like a machine doing the same thing again and again.
इतना भी कुछ नहीं हो गया. Like chill. I get where you're coming from.
But I'm happy that we'll get like a 1 month break from all this. It's the same monotonous routine, doing the same thing again and again, like, you know.
Who doesn't love home cooked food served on the plate?
And a little bit of pampering as well.
With love, with all that love flowing. Looking forward to that. Finally, on our way to the airport. The chaos was real, you guys. Last 2 days, oh my god. You've seen it all.
Pure madness.
Half of the things I've not even recorded, but I just hope we've got everything. We've got the passport, OCI, visa sorted
and
there.
We are rushing. We are literally running late. Right?
Yes, we are just on time. We have actually taken the toll route so that we get there fast.
It was my fault, guys. I was actually working until 4 p.m. and a flight is at 7:30.
We have not got a minute to breathe. This is the time we're actually still like, you know, in our mind we're like, okay, I'm forgetting anything.
But does it happen with you guys? Like we always feel like whenever we are going to the airport that we are forgetting something.
It's a normal feeling for sure. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video because I'm sure we'll be running around at the airport too. Boarding starts in literally 1 hour.
It's gonna be a nice workout.
I've been working out since 2 days already, up and down. But anyways, I'll see you in India now. Okay guys, see you then. Bye.